Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how to cut in CapCut. So as you can see, there are three options to cut any point of the video. Split, so you can press here or press Ctrl plus B. Let's say I want to cut here this portion, so press Ctrl plus B, so it will cut it here. So let's say I want cut here and I don't need this part, so just click on this option or press W. Let's say I need to start video from here, so I don't need this part, so just click here, delete left or press Q and just drag it here. So this is how we can cut any point in CapCut. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye.